The Flex overhead tube crane from 𝗀𝗃 Minolta is designed for high-performance, high-efficiency imaging. It features manual grab-and-go movement, ideal for fast-paced environments, along with auto-positioning and auto-tracking from both the tube and detector side. Technologists can use unlimited presets for upright and extremity work, while the system automatically tilts and aligns for consistent SID and positioning. Flex supports DDR, long leg and scoliosis stitching, and pediatric table stitching, all fully automated to reduce motion and ensure precise alignment. The table includes side controls, 770-pound lift capacity, and lowers to 21 inches for easy patient access. Advanced detectors, including lightweight glassless and DDR-capable carbon options, are available in multiple sizes and integrate seamlessly into the system. Flex enables full AP and lateral foot imaging with a dual detector setup, no patient repositioning required. With table and tube tracking in multiple directions, Flex delivers complete coverage and control, all in a single, streamlined X-ray room.